Daddy Mommy, if you're looking for a stroller that looks premium, super smooth handling, can facing parent and also the world, here we have the latest GB Swan Pro dual facing carbon fiber stroller from Germany. This is the winner of Red Dot Design Awards. So the first feeling when looking at this stroller is look premium and modern, and the design is clean, stylish and not too bulky. The most special part is the frame materials. GB Swan Pro use 100% carbon fiber frame materials. So the outer look feel more high-end, more sporty and much more different than aluminium frame stroller. Extra information for Daddy Mommy, carbon fiber material is 4 times stronger than steel but 75% lighter than steel. That makes this stroller weight only 8.2 kg. Next advantage about GB Swan Pro is the smooth steering system. When you push the stroller, you can feel that the turning point is so smooth, suitable for indoor and outdoor usage. It built in with one interesting system, we call it ARS, Adaptive Response System, where you can see the look of the control for forward facing is front wheel control. Now when we switch over to rear facing, it's also automatically switched to front wheel control as well. This is a beautiful technology, ARS, we call it auto rotating system. This is a two-way stroller. When baby is small, you can adjust parent facing to easily manage your baby. Later on, you can adjust the seat to forward facing so your kids can explore the world. It's designed with a seat height of 58 cm and it comes with a wide seating space with 36 cm and the eye view level at 95 cm. So your baby is sitting in the comfortable height. It's better for dining and shopping experience. Now let's take a close-up look at the materials. For handlebar and bumper bar, it's wrapped with leather materials. The canopy is adjustable and expandable. It also comes with UPF 50 plus and water resistant. It's big enough to give baby coverage from sunlight and raining day. Here we have a magnetic peekaboo window and a full-size air ventilation window for better airflow. Let's take a closer look at the inner padding. This is a skin-friendly cotton light feel padding. It provides comfort and premium feeling. At the back, we have a fully breathable mesh microfiber fabric that provides extra ventilations. Improved on seat with cushy cushions. And this material surface is an easy to clean surface. 3-level adjustable backrest and 3-level adjustable leg rest. Removable and adjustable bumper bar. Easy adjust dual facing handlebar. Down here, we have a practical storage space for daily usage. Having a wheelbase of 54 cm allows parents to have a perfect control when you need to go up staircase. 4-wheel suspension for front and back. High quality EVA PU form wheel gave us stable and smooth handling experience on all different terrains. 4 individual brakes, we can easily lock your stroller at any direction. To fold the stroller, easily fold down the seat, drop down the handlebar and hold up the handle, and it can be stand-alone. GB Swan Pro can fold in both directions. Same thing, fold down the seat, drop down the handlebar and hold up the handle. In summary, GB Swan Pro, suitable for parents who want a dual-facing stroller, enjoy smooth handling experience and prefer premium outer look. Most important, enjoy and appreciate carbon fiber frame. Let's check out GB Swan Pro at My Lovely Baby for extra value. Follow us for more product review video.